Hmm. Top in the morning with it, yo. You didn't cook them. Top in the morning, you know what I'm saying? For real. Yeah, man, I just got done editing videos. Just got done posting. You know what I'm saying? Everybody. Kai, come on. I like just to go do everything the wrong way. Watch. You know, she just got up crying, dangling on my fucking chest this morning. You know, asleep, dead. Now she outside, so she better do what she gotta do. Yeah. On daily, bro. You know, every morning you get up, make sure she alright. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? I'm young Kim wrong, but I'm real nigga. Make sure she cool. Alright. I'm successful at this shit every morning. Come on, stop. Every morning I'm successful at this shit. Let's go. The bosses make big moves. Man. Having a dog, it's a lot, bro. You see, I contain growth, nigga, every fucking day. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. This girl love being in the dirt. She adventurous as fuck. I mean, adventurous. She know everybody doing, or whatever going on. That's what she learned to do. Ooh, this look at her. We gotta do all that for, Kai. Come on. I mean, that's how she find her surroundings, but shit. You know what I'm saying? But she ain't gotta do all that, though. You know, she be doing fucking crazy shit. Yo, we don't gotta stuff that hard. But you know, top of the morning, showing what she do. She literally just woke up. Want the fight to come outside and watch. She gonna be good right now. She gonna add back later. And I already know the routine. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, stay tuned. What we got now? This little girl do everything different, bro. There, do that. Crazy ass. Man, you good to take me everywhere. And that's what I said. She does the weird shit, bro. Just look. But yeah, y'all. Just top of the morning. Yeah, so, oh shit, come on. Shit. I hate flies, bro. I just be touching the fuck on it. I hate that shit. For real. Yeah, fucking trees and shit. Kara, why? Why? Like, bro, stop going through everywhere. Stop. You know what I'm saying? You're going all the grass and shit. That's why you be itchy as hell. Go to the bathroom if you need to, dude. Bro, I'm pulling her, not me. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? This girl that goes to the woods, all this fucking dumbass shit she do. Fucking spray bugs on me. Then I get all that bug on me and shit. I gotta take a shower. I don't going through that shit, bro. I'm tired of that shit. So all she's gonna do is keep doing the same shit, you hear me? I don't know why she do that shit. Why she didn't do it the normal way? Go to the bathroom and get the fuck out of this shit. She had her. Go. No. You ain't going that way. This is top breeder, you gotta do this shit, bro. She just got a bag yesterday. She went digging the fucking garbage. In the woods, that's like garbage. She went digging the woods and shit. This is gonna go crazy, bro. What else she wanna do? She wanna fucking chase shit. Like, bro, for what? I get it, you know what I'm saying? Shit. I need to take her to a fucking dog park. Get away from up there. I think going to dog park is way better than going around other people and shit. You know what I'm saying? But what y'all want? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you got some new titles coming. Like, I don't know what title is shit, but I'll find out. I'll find something. You hear me? But y'all stay tuned, bro. Don't do it different today. I don't keep recording. I know how I get. You know what I'm saying? Until you overdo it. I got y'all. Y'all stay tuned, bro. For sure. Like, comment, subscribe. This from like 1 year month. Fucking pit bull you. So yeah, right now, what you do? Look. Just look at her stance. Look. Come on, just fly. Come on. Wait for that shit. Nah, come on. She hear birds and shit, bro. And she's too adventurous, bro. She gotta find everything going on. It's the top of the morning, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know, I already gotta keep in trouble. You know what I'm saying? I'm her dad, bro. I ain't letting her control me no more. This shit gotta stop. Yesterday, she wanna go outside, like, she wanna go outside. I don't, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna keep doing this shit with her, bro. She wanna do everything her fucking way, bro. You get what I'm saying? Like, y'all people do that shit? Like, y'all people control y'all? Like, for what? And then we go inside and they got mad. I don't give a fuck, bro. Like, I'm trying to save her ass. She don't understand that shit. That's the problem. She wanna do everything her fucking way. She do that dumb shit. I do the smart shit. But my shit be dumb smart, and bad, right? You know what I'm saying? People compare my shit, but you know what I'm saying? She healthy, she cool. You know what I'm saying? She collected. Nebby. Come on. Quit trying to hold your weight. Let's go. Come on, Kai. Come on. Carol, come on. Stop. I know what you're doing. She's a... Yo. What the fuck? Why are you so hard-headed? I gotta fight with her. I gotta push her. I gotta pull her. I do all that dumb shit. Just get her to go. Bitch that, man. What am I gonna say? Just irritating. But no, we're gonna push up. You know what I'm saying? Everything. Come on. This girl. Stop. You want to push up today. You hear me? You want to make everything happen today. That's my motivation for y'all. Push up today. Do everything what you want. I'm going crazy, bro. Today's the day. I'm moving hard. I'm going crazy bananas. But yeah, that's stay tuned, bro. It's gonna get lit today. Ain't gonna be too much, but I'm gonna record. I'm gonna do my schedule shit like I did before. First side, not too much, not too big, little, but y'all gonna see it. Y'all stay tuned, man. Like Tyler. You know what I'm saying? Another one, maybe we next, nigga. Yeah, I ain't cutting the camera. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna show you what she about to do. Cause look, every time. That's why I don't like walking her so far. Cause she gets out of hand with everything, bro. She gotta do everything, like, you gotta do the opposite of everything. Just look at her. That's how she fucking, look at her walk. What do I say, see? Ain't nothing darn for you little girls. They go keep me outside for hours, y'all. Like, literally hours. And everybody yells at me and shit. It's not my fault. It's her. I can't do this shit. And it smells like grass. It stink. Come on, Kai. This shit's strong as hell. No. Got the grass. That's your problem now. Get off the grass. Y'all stay tuned, bro. Girl. Go. She's so nappy, bro. Shit. The reason why we can't get home. I see it. That's her. I ain't gonna walk over to this big ass hill. Oh. You don't not come home, bro. I swear. Every time, bro. Every time. It's a struggle, you know, this hill and going that way. And then, yeah. You know what I'm saying? She holds her weight, too. Every time she sees something, she turns. I know everything, if I said, everything she do, and other people will do the same shit, but different detail. Yeah. What I tell y'all yesterday, I said, learn your dog, but identify everything they do. So you know this shit coming, you don't gotta be stressed. That's the main point. You know what I'm saying? That's fun. I know her so good. From the shit she do. But yeah, I stay tuned, bro. You feel me? It's in the morning vlog. You did it. See you. This from like 1 year month. Fucking pit bull you. So yeah, right now, what she do? Look. Just look at her stance. Look. Come on, just fly. Come on. Wait for that shit. Nah, come on. She hear birds and shit, bro. And she too adventurous, bro. She gotta find everything with everything going on. It's the top of the morning, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know, I already gotta keep in trouble. You know what I'm saying? I'm her dad, bro. I ain't letting her control me no more. This shit gotta stop. Yesterday, she wanna go outside, like, she wanna go outside. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna keep doing this shit with her, bro. She wanna do everything her fucking way, bro. You get what I'm saying? Like, y'all people do that shit? Like, y'all people control y'all? Like, for what? And then we go inside and they got mad. I don't give a fuck, bro. Like, I'm trying to save her ass. She don't understand that shit. That's the problem. She wanna do everything her fucking way. She do that dumb shit. I do the smart shit. But my shit be dumb and smart. I'm smart and bad, right? You know what I'm saying? People compare my shit, but I feel like that, but you know what I'm saying? She healthy, she cool. You know what I'm saying? She collected. Nebby. Come on. Quit trying to hold your weight. Let's go. Come on, Kai. Come on. Carol, come on. Stop. I know what you're doing. She's a... Yo. What the fuck? Why you so hard-headed? I got fight her, I got push her, I got pull her. I do all that dumb that. Just get her to go. Bitch that, man. You gonna... What I was gonna say? Just irritating. But no, we're gonna push up. You know what I'm saying? Everything. Come on. This girl. Stop. I'm gonna push up today. You hear me? I'm gonna make everything happen today. That's my motivation for y'all. Push up today. Do everything what you want. I'm going crazy, bro. Today's the day. I'm moving hard. I'm going crazy bananas. Feel me? But yeah, that's stay tuned, bro. It's gonna get lit today. It's gonna be too much, but I'm gonna record. I'm gonna do my schedule shit like I did before. First, not too much, not too big, little, but y'all gonna see it. Y'all stay tuned, man. Like Tyler. You know what I'm saying? Another one, maybe we next, nigga. Yeah, I ain't cutting the camera. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna show you what she about to do. Cause look, every time. That's why I don't like walking her so far. Cause she gets out of hand with everything, bro. She gotta do everything, like, you gotta do the opposite of everything. Just look at her. That's how she fucking, look at her walk. What do I say, see? Ain't nothing dying for you, little girls. They go keep me outside for hours, y'all. Like, literally hours. And everybody yells at me and shit. It's not my fault. It's her. I can't do this shit. And it smells like grass. It stink. Come on, Kai. This shit's strong as hell. No. Got the grass. That's your problem now. Get off the grass. Y'all stay tuned, bro. Girl. Go. She's so naggy, bro. Shit. The reason why we can't get on. I see it. That's her. I ain't walking up to this big ass hill. Oh. You don't knock alone, bro. I swear. Every time, bro. Every time. It's a struggle, you know, this hill and going that way. And then, yeah, you know what I'm saying? She holds her weight, too. Every time she sees something, she turns. Like, I know everything, if I said, everything she do, and other people will do the same shit, but different detail. Yeah. What I tell y'all yesterday? I said, learn your dog, but identify everything they do. So you know if shit coming, you don't gotta be stressed. That's the main point. You know what I'm saying? That's fun. I know her so good. From the shit she do. But yeah, I stay tuned, bro. You feel me? See you in the morning vlog. You did. See you. Every time you see a deer, Like just see her, they run. I don't know why they're scared. I don't want to be doing shit. I didn't say in his face. You know, tell what mean as hell in his face. But like, I need a t-shirt. Like, this is what I need, bro. If I'm out all on there and shit, I need my own brand, you know, all that shit. Merch from outside. So it's like, what we representing? Like, yeah, he got his own merch with her. Her logo are ours. Another story for another day. Right now, we just grinding. Yeah. Grab it in the morning. Oh, damn. Go. But yeah, I was made for this shit, bro. Yeah. Room is done, room is wrapping up. You know what I'm saying? Day by day. Summer's over. You know what I'm saying? Everything's over. I'm about to get ready for next season. Watch how I edit this shit up. Make it look hard out. Like, get up. Next season will be scary, bro. It's gonna be scary for y'all. We enjoyed this one. Had the ups and downs. We had our days where, oh shit. Where is your shit at? Didn't you shit it? Did I step in it? Oh, it's right here. That's your shit from yesterday. Remember? I ain't pick it up. Like, she be shitting to be running. Like, this girl, and then I try to grab it. She don't want me to let me grab. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, girl. Scared for y'all. And I told my fuck, don't fuck with me. Leave me the fuck alone. Let me get this shit done. I'm changing life for everybody. You know what I'm saying? I don't have nobody around me. That's good. Like, the fuck is better. You know what I'm saying? When it's just me versus me, I'm saying I beat the odds, nigga, every fucking time. Nigga, I'm proud of myself, bro. I'm right here outside every fucking day doing what I do. Best, you know what I'm saying? Best for me, watch. Everybody talk later on and do what they want to do with this shit. They say tally this, you know what I'm saying? I don't mind that shit, bro. Guess what? When I turn everything around, and I start making cash, do not come around me, bro. Do not, I repeat, do not come around me. Please don't. That's y'all eyes. I see it all. You know what I'm saying? I see you rocking with me when I'm doing this shit, and you not. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? You been a roller coaster, nigga. For real. Okay. Oh, over here. She almost house. No, not that way. Look that. Never mind. It was a cat. That's why she's stupid. Let's go a little the opposite way. I told her to look that way. What the fuck? Girl, I told her to do dumb shit, bro. Dumb shit she do. And I said look the opposite way. I ain't say look instead of this way. You know what I'm saying? But y'all, that's it to me, bro. You feel me? I mean, success. This is the end of the morning vlog. Hopefully. You know what I'm saying? I don't get nothing else, but I'm gonna wrap it up right here. You know what I'm saying? Like Tyler again, like I said. We made millions off her brand, we made millions off of her, we made millions with her, we made millions with me, but off of me too. Everything level up. It's like playing Jeopardy, it's like playing casino, basically what you say. You know what I'm saying? I put my money, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, why don't you do trade investments? Don't do that, that's dumb. I mean, it's a good idea, but it's still a process, but I'm saying gonna make a couple money shit, but no, I'd rather just make a brand deal and go from a brand deal. Oh shit. That shit, alright, come on. Alright, shit. Yeah, that's the thing, bro. Scan this shit. Hello, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I know I told y'all I was done. I just y'all just a little one behind the scenes, bro. Every time. You do not act right. Yeah, outside and shit. No, she went to the and shit. Room was on, bro. I ain't come around outside too long. Try to get her up. She gotta go to the bathroom like real quick. And I ain't got nothing to do but to go. I'm gonna edit videos real quick. I gotta post. There. Hey, everybody hit my social media, bro. I've been posting daily. I really been posting daily. You know what I'm saying? Trying to run these numbers up. You know what I'm saying? I know they're running slow, but it's coming in handy. I promise you. They're gonna look at it right now and laugh at it. You know, they're gonna regret that shit later on when you make it. Ain't that right, Kai? Kai know what's up. You know what I'm saying? Real honest man doing this shit, bro. For real. You're a dirt one, bro. But yeah. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned, bro. I'm in it right here. Oh, you did? About time. We home. You know what I'm saying? I be always telling you, like, when we walk and shit, it'd be cool. It'd be easy. It's just getting pushing off, bro. Cause once I start walking shit, I'll be my mood. I'll be my, you know what I'm saying, my daily shit, bro. But, you know what's up? I'm a sweat nigga doing this shit still. I'm a young nigga doing it, bro. I'm a young nigga doing this shit, bro. No, we ain't going nowhere else. We're going home. You know what I'm saying? Really a young nigga doing it, bro. Y'all can say whatever. Yeah, come outside every fucking day. Do what I gotta do, make videos, bro. And it's not hard, bro. It's not hard at all. It's just easy. You know what I'm saying? Got it, bro. Just look at it. Just look at it, bro. Great shape, great structure, great body type, great moving, great energy. When she have it, it's bad, yeah, she have bad energy. But she a great ass dog, healthy. You know what I'm saying? Even though she got you sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Want to bite and shit, but this girl, after all, everything cool with her. You know what I'm saying? This girl, you know what I'm saying? She knows what's up. We almost done, you know what I'm saying? What? Don't get scared for you motherfuckers. Promise you. Just look at her. Man, when she put her head down and move around her head, it's scary for y'all. She really hunting for shit. If she see animals and shit, she want their ass. You know what I'm saying? Oh, she gotta know it. Where everything at. She knows her surroundings. Good as hell. Shit, fuck the camera, be on leave. I'm gonna show her off like crazy. Let's look. Man, look at her. Look, this is how she walk. She got calves and everything, bro. Real pretty as hell. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Stay on point. Yeah. 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 Good girl. Mm-hmm. Hey. This is it. This is it. Mm-hmm. Shout out to everybody getting up this morning. Be great. Everything's counting on you. You got all day, 24 hours a day. What you want to do with it? Yeah. You don't want to go? Oh, let's go, man. Come on. This girl on, man, she was just off. She break her shit. Kai, come on. Look. All right, fuck it. Yeah, shit. You ain't bottom. Yeah, you do, man. Let's play. Come on. You bottom. Let's go. Look. Shit, man. This little girl, man, bad as fuck, bro. Bad. I mean, bad, y'all. Like, bad. The motherfucking dude. And she want to play, then don't want to play. She give me just to go outside. They don't want to go outside. And I fucking set up today. But we have top in the morning with it. This girl bad as fuck, bro. Quit running away from me. Get over here. Get your butt over here. She knows what's up, bro. What are you doing? We just now she want. This is the second time she want to come on because she want to eat at the last minute. Now she gotta go shit. She already shit it. Now she got, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give her a walk real quick. That's how we want to do it. We're gonna bounce that shit out. Bounce it out. That's how we want to do it. We're gonna walk. Full walk. And get her tired. And go back in the house. And that's cool. Go, cat. Oh shit. Oh. You missing it. Come on, guys. It's $2 right there. Oh. She wanna see the $2. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Come on. Let's go. Yo, this girl like chasing everything, bro. It's fucking crazy as hell, man. Come on. Look. Good girl. Well, yeah, that's what she got. Let's go. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Now the car go. Wait, no. No, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm gonna go, like I was saying though, bro, this girl, after I said, when we come outside, every time we want to record, bro. That's how bad it get, bro. Because between her, she's so fucking nutty. She got, yo, stay focused on me. Don't worry about nothing. Wanna walk up there? Wanna walk up? That's on one. Here. Look, we good now. All we can do is, you know what I'm saying? All we can do is make shit work. How we gotta work. It's just this girl, bro. Everybody be telling me don't take her too far. Which I really don't want to do it, but I got to. You know what I'm saying? We'll be home and she ain't going to want to walk that far, bro. I'm telling you now. She ain't gonna want to walk that far. On Carter Street? Hold on. It's not. You feel me? Like I was saying, I keep losing. You know what I'm saying? That's the thing. That's the purpose when you know what I'm saying, what you're doing with your dog. You did. A lot of people don't have control at all. At all. It'd be hard for them to move their dogs around and shit. She only do that because, you know what I'm saying? She know her territory. You feel me? And she always want to hold her ground with everything. Did. But I'm gonna walk in and shit. know what I'm saying? Wait, you wanna go there? Tell me don't go out there. You know what I'm saying? Half the time, you know what I'm saying? Half the time, she just be working around the whole fucking neighborhood, bro. I only took her down there because, you know what I'm saying, make her satisfied. Like I said, she's gonna be mad at me and shit. Right now, man, she having fun. You know what I'm saying? Walking, take her time. Good. I ain't gotta say shit to her. None. Just walking her at this point. But yeah, I'll stay tuned, bro. This girl, man. Why is she, man? Oh, this fool. I don't even know what to do with this one. Yeah, come on. This is ladder. She's being herself. I ain't tripping, that's what I'm saying. It's just her. It's pulling shit. She being herself. I don't know why she's so fucking worried about this shit. She gotta go to the bathroom. So y'all stay tuned, man. Yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, I ain't scared. I just don't want to record right now. But no, I love y'all. You too. What it do? You did. I'm done. Come on, go. Come on, Kai. Good. Good morning, y'all. Come on. Good. Good. You gotta sing it. Hold on. See how I was walking, y'all. Now she good. You know what I'm saying? It's the fact of this shit, bro. I found like turning so far. You know what I'm saying? I ain't doing that shit no more. That shit done with. It's just a fact, bro. She can be an asshole. I swear to God. Every time. Shit don't fail. But no, she ain't tired. She just navy then, bitch. Bro. For real. You know, like right now, look. Come on. Look. So we'll see. See what you want to do. Successful as fuck though. You know what I'm saying? We're good now. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? Maybe we gotta do it. We should see that shit for sure. It's just, I don't like, if I don't like taking her for. It ain't the problem with me. I had to beat her ass a couple times. She went, because when she started lurking and shit, got lurking. The navy little walk she do, bro. Go! What's going on, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm not going to house and chill. Feel me? Funny home now, I'm mad as fuck, bro. It's all in the vlog, bro. So, y'all see me? Y'all see me. If not, y'all not, bro. It's life of talent, bro. Miss well as morning. Stay tuned, bro. Tell what? Sorry about the new shit. I ain't got my haircut, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, no, you know what I'm saying? Not like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I did now. You know what I'm saying? saying? Now I'm in that shit, bro. I'm in that shit for real. Yeah. Ain't nothing to it. I'm gotta go hard, gotta go deep with this shit, bro. Sure. You know what I'm saying? They know what's up. Now I'm in my bag. It's like a towel you did. They know the slug on a bunch of way to move. Niggas like get out there. Yo, a real one. Hey, Aria.
How? For the cut. Oh, we about to go somewhere else. The grandpa. I got her first.
You got another slogan. You know what I'm saying? You know what this mean? Mean keep it real with you, nigga. Keep it real with yourself. You know what I'm saying? I know the motion, the way, the mood, the emotion. I know the movement. You know what I'm saying? Emotion, okay. Whatever I want to say. You dig what I'm saying? But hey, Ty's back. You know what I'm saying? Who that? Who that? Oh, you wanna go outside? But hey, I told you it's about to get scary for y'all motherfuckers. It's about to get scary. It's about to get real scary. Then, but show this fuck up with this shit. You know what I'm saying? For sure. Y'all stay tuned. Get the fuck up, man. You bad as a motherfucker. Get my shit. Come here. Give me my motherfucking shit now. Kara. No, badass. Bro. Bro. Yo, let's go that way. Don't be back. You fresh now. Nigga. Let's go. Come on, guy. Go, go. Okay. Come on, bro. You be yanking her ass, bro. So you be yanking cat. Go. Look at the two, you there? I'm back in action, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You know, I was born for this shit, you heard? You know what I'm saying? Good. You feel me? Make it banger just, you know what I'm saying? Get scary. Like I said, stay tuned, man. We winning this year. Come on, I don't know. We're going up, you know what I'm saying? For sure we're going up. Bangers after bangers, you dig what I'm saying? It's like a talent, you heard me? We got Cowgirl, y'all know what's up. They say, hey, Tal, why you record so much? Gotta make everything happen, nigga. I'm not on with nobody, it's me. Me versus me, nigga. I'm beating me right now. My old stuff on the head. Yeah, stay tuned, man. Yeah. Don't know my slogan. Got my own slogan. You heard me? It's me. Different breed. That's the truth, man. Alright, y'all stay tuned, bro. For sure. I stay tuned. You did. Have a tally, you heard me? One day enough. You'll be going up this shit. Y'all stay tuned, bro. You know what I'm saying? I should see how good it is. how she do it. You know what I'm saying? Now, when she focus on me, she can focus on me. Yeah. You gotta keep it straight with her, bro. When y'all walking and shit, y'all holding, y'all dogs, make sure they stay tight to you. I learned that as I went, you know what I'm saying, as I go. If she gets a little, you know what I'm saying, too loose, a little bit too hyper, and she start going wild. You know? She working on shit. Right now, she don't know where she at. She kind of see her surroundings and shit. Let's go. No, end it right there. You wanna go right there? Yeah. Come on. Come on, guy. Where you want to go? Okay. You know what I'm saying? Her dad right here. He the owner of this shit. Did? Huh? You gotta call the street. Oh,
Oh, I got it. Because you know where I'm going?
Come on.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, you're the owner of this shit. You do this shit. Own production team. It's a label. You know what I'm saying? Now I can see my brother. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be cool. All right, come on. You know what I'm saying? It's an own production team, bro. Before we go outside. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right. Don't eat them. Go in the grass. Don't eat them. Okay. Now y'all see. You feel me? Line this shit, bro. You gotta line everything. You gotta be in order. You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep your dog right. You your dad. Y'all female. Y'all gotta be the owner of this shit. Don't let your dog run over you. Do not. You know what I'm saying? I repeat. Do not. Yo, she walk fast as fuck, bro. No. Hey. And she gonna try to chase the bus. Let's go. Cause she's smart as hell. She's trying to chase it. Okay. No, that's why she stopped. Look, you know how you see her feel with that shit. What she be doing? Yeah, exactly what she fucking do. You quit walking so fast. Alright. Hold on. No. Oh, told you. Back in the street. Come on. Now you gotta leave. Come on, Kai. You take record.
I know you heard me.
Yeah. Oh. Leave that be. What up, y'all?
Make a better. She alright. She's okay. You scared?
Come on.
Okay.
Head up. Head up. Yeah, I know. Shit. All right, record. Here, hold on. On me. Head up. Head up. Head up. Head up.
What up, man?
How you doing?
Good.
Come on. Head up. Hey, head up.
Get up. Stop.
Cut it out.
Get up, quit eating shit. Stop.
I didn't even record. Yeah. You dig what I'm saying? Long day, you heard me? These videos ain't stopping, nigga. I'm doing this for me, you heard? Real and truth from this shit, you heard? It's life fatality, you dig what I'm saying? I'm out. Yeah.